Let me show you how to merge text with image in Photoshop. Start by writing your text. This is the font that I am using. Now, choose the image layer and press Ctrl J to make a copy. Drag the layer to the top of the layer. Now go to Select and choose Subject. Add a layer mask. Now we have this woman on a layer alone, as you can see here. Choose the text layer and press Ctrl J to make a copy. Drag it on top of the layers. Go to Layer Style and choose Stroke. Follow these settings. When you finish, press OK. Reduce the fill to 0%. Hold Ctrl and choose both of the text layers. Link them together by click on this icon. Now you can move around the text as you like. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Leave your comments below if you have any question.